Hey, what's up, guys? It's chain time. It's Ford Focus 2.0 timing, and today we are here to show you, to teach you how to reset this timing. No special tool, but simple ways. So you can see I have set the timing chain alignment already, and I want to teach you how you can reset it when you meet this kind of timing. It's very complicated, but there's a strict and simple way you can use to set it. Looking at this place is the inlet camshaft, and here the exhaust camshaft. So these two marks will meet together, but a little bit up at the exhaust side, which can give you the rear mark here at the bottom. I will show you, and also show you the TDC mark, how you can turn it and how you can lock it. But in the first place, you remove the piston number 1 plug, and then you put a stick inside or any screwdriver to turn it up to get the level, which will give you the TDC mark. And at the back, so here you can see I have aligned them already. Here a little bit down, this exhaust camshaft a little bit up. So looking at the back here, there is a mark at the back here which indicates whether your timing is good or not. There's a special tool I have to use to lock it, but I don't have it at the moment, so I use this kind of hacksaw blade which will indicate. You can see it. Yes, you can see right here. It's a level, peg level on top of the head. Looking at this place is the peg level, also on top of the head. Okay, so this is it. And when you come to like this, you can see they match together, matching it together. See how it is, they match together. Let me give you it clear. So straight level, it is straight level. So this is the top cam settings, and it's correct. I can take you down here. So before you fix this guide, but you won't tie this 8 bolt. After you align it, then you tighten it to get a space. And here you can see the timing chain alignment. Okay, this is the bolt. So it's a special bolt. I've locked the camshaft for it not to turn, so I'll remove it. That is it. This chain has no mark. That's why I told you to turn the TDC mark and get the piston number 1 on top. That is your mark, and it's very simple. I hope you enjoy it. Like this video, share and comment. Put your comment below, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your friends to also benefit. Thank you for liking and sharing. Thank you for watching too.